All right, let's fucking go. Code speed run. Okay, so oh god. Top level helper functions. Okay, top level helper functions. More robbery tools. Pomeranian catcher. Okay, we're gonna take an event and we're gonna convert it to this made-up key called the pom shick key, which is the plus or minus plus the shift. Okay, here's our input event. Pom shick is 0 by default. That is false. And 1 and -1 are going to be the truthy conditions. Okay, these are the key codes for the plus and minus key. Okay, we're gonna get the shorthand to whether or not the shift key is held down. So it's gonna be 1 for true, 0 for false. We're gonna get a shorthand for this which key, which is gonna be the key code. And then if shift is held down, if it is the plus key, we'll do 1. And then if it's the minus key, we'll do -1. So the output will be either 1 or -1, depending on if it's plus or minus respectively. We'll return it right here. Okay, so then down here in Editor Controller 2, which is the glass panel editor controller, within the top level or like the outermost key down event handler, right? Editor Controller 2 key down. We're going to look at this and decide what to do. We're going to look at the input event key and see what to do. So if we go down here, we have the section called Revisit Crime Scene, aka Back to Steal the Doggo. And we see that if we have the pom shick key, remember, 0 is our... Not equal to 0 is our truthy condition, right? Because 1 and -1 are both true. So if it is the pom shick key, which sounds kind of like Pomeranian, so I'm thinking about, you know, we're stealing Richard's girlfriend's dog, which is a Pomeranian, right? So if it is the pom shick key, we're going to use the original editor, Editor Controller 1, and we're going to call its key down to handle this keyboard event because it has the behavior we want, right? So we're doing kind of inheritance, and we're stealing shit from Richard, right? We're inheriting Richard's code, but we're not taking everything, right? We're only taking the things we want, so that's why I'm calling it robbery-based inheritance. Anyways, the key is handled, so we're not going to do any extra code down here. We've already done the functionality we need. Okay, so then down here, so what we did previously, and then some footnotes and stuff, and what we did in this video. And if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You're on the fast playlist. Technical demos are here, source code is here, ways to get a hold of me are here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry game. It's called Atomic Ivy MMO. I'm writing the server code, the simulation code, and the rendering engine. Like and subscribe if you want to see how to make a game engine.